Hey everyone, today I'm here with this 2015 Ram 1500 Bighorn, and if you're looking for an incredible truck that has a HEMI engine, bed cover, tow package, and tons more, then you're going to love this truck. I'm Alana here at WowWoodys Automotive Group in Chillicothe, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year for the past 2 years, and you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this blue exterior color. You have your chrome outlined grille, halogen headlamps, fog lamps below that, and 2 tow hooks with a front sensing system. This has a 5.7 liter V8 HEMI engine, and looking down at your wheels, those are 20-inch chrome clad wheels in that 5-spoke design. Your side mirrors have those indicator lights on them, and they are powered and heated. And then you have these chrome running boards to help you up in the front and the back seat. Okay, so looking at these front seats, we have these gray cloth seats. You have that pattern going down the middle, and they are heated, so super comfortable, power adjustable on your driver's side as well. Then looking at your steering wheel, it is leather wrapped and heated. You have your cluster controls, Bluetooth streaming, and your cruise controls on the front with media controls on the back. Then looking at your 8.4-inch touchscreen media center, you have radio options right here, and you can subscribe to Sirius XM radio if you choose to, but you have all of your presets on the top and everything. And then you can also plug in your own media device, so really convenient to listen to your own music with. You have your heated buttons for your seats and your steering wheel right there, and then all of your different Uconnect apps that you can subscribe to. Then you have climate controls here, so you can have different settings on each side of the front seat, and you have your phone settings, so you can connect your phone with Bluetooth, make phone calls and text messages. And when your vehicle is on and in reverse, you also have a backup camera, so that's a really nice safety feature as well. So looking down below, have everything in a button form of your radio and your climate controls there. You also have your front and back sensing system, your heated buttons, tow haul mode, traction control, and your trailer brake with your 4-wheel drive on that side and a 115 volt on the other. Looking in the middle here, you have 2 cup holders and a 12 volt, and inside of your center console you have an SD card reader, 2 USB ports, and an aux port with even more room down below. Then looking up, you have 911 assist, which is subscribable, garage door openers, and controls to your power sliding rear window to let some fresh air in this truck. So let's look at those back seats. Okay, so looking in this back seat, you have room for 3 passengers back here. You also have a cup holder armrest that folds down with 2 cup holders, and there are 2 more on the floor. This does have split bench seating. You have storage compartments underneath, and you can fold it out flat as well. So you also have 2 storage compartments under the floor here with these easy little bins that you can take out and clean off. And then there's a 12 volt there in the middle. Making your way around the side, you have your LED tail lamps in the back, 4x4 and Bighorn badging, and then you have your rear sensing system with your tow package down below. This does have remote start on your key fob as well. So looking into the back here, you have a bed mat lining the bottom, and then you have your cover on the top, so everything's nice and protected. So overall, great truck. Love those heated seats, that media center, that HEMI engine. And if you want to see this Ram 1500 or any of our other trucks, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit right.
What do you think differentiates WowWoodys from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
I have so many different vehicles in the lot.
No fees processed. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.